Okay, now it's the center stand that I'm gonna work on. So as you can see, I'm the only one working on the bike, so no hands is helping me right now. So tomorrow I'm gonna need hands from just by carrying the engine, but that's about it. Okay. So I put the frame in a sideways position, so I think it's easier to put the bolts on the center stand. So this is the center stand right here. Okay. So again, you mark it for now. Okay, so you can see the bolts going here and going there. Okay. These are my bolts. Sandwich bag. It says center stand nut and bolt. Okay. So let's see the center stand nut looks like this. Okay. It has a little bit of a shaft here, so it pivots on that hole, this hole here. Okay. And so what's the other one? Okay. So again, very elementary. Okay. So even if you tighten it, because of this shaft here, it will still be free to swivel. Okay, so you basically put this one in, and then you put your spring here. Okay, that's it. So that's it for my work today. Tomorrow let's see the engine.